Meaning of honeypot.
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 Honeypot. Honeypot refers to a security mechanism that is used to detect, deflect, or counteract unauthorized access attempts by attackers. It involves setting up a system or network with vulnerabilities that are designed to attract potential attackers. The honeypot captures information about the attacker's methods and techniques, while at the same time, diverting them away from the actual target. This allows security experts to analyze the data gathered and use it to develop better security measures. Honeypots can be highly effective in detecting and preventing attacks, making them an important tool in protecting sensitive systems and networks.